The scale of comparison. Mastering comparative adjectives and adverbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of comparative adjectives and adverbs. These essential tools help us compare and contrast different people, things, or actions. By the end of this video, you'll have a firm grasp on how to use them correctly. So, let's get started. At their core, comparative adjectives and adverbs are about comparison. They allow us to show the differences between two entities in terms of certain qualities or actions. An adjective compares qualities like size, color, or shape, while an adverb compares actions. The general rule for creating comparative adjectives or adverbs is to add "er" to the end of the adjective or adverb if it's a single-syllable word. For instance, fast becomes faster, and hard becomes harder. For adjectives or adverbs with more than one syllable, we use more before the word. For example, beautiful becomes more beautiful, and carefully becomes more carefully. However, English, being a language full of exceptions, has some irregular forms too, such as good, becoming, better, and, well, adverb form of good, becoming, better, as well. When using comparative adjectives or adverbs, we often need to include the word "then" to indicate what is being compared. Let's look at a few examples. She runs faster than me. This puzzle is more difficult than the last one. In these sentences, faster and more difficult are the comparative adjectives, and the word "then" introduces the entity being compared. However, you don't always need another entity to make a comparison. Sometimes, you can use comparative adjectives and adverbs to express an increase in a particular quality or action. For instance, as the hours passed, he grew more tired. She's been working harder these days. In these cases, we're not comparing two different entities but showing a change in one entity over time. So, that's the world of comparative adjectives and adverbs for you. Remember, these are powerful tools that allow you to make clear, interesting comparisons and contrasts when you're expressing yourself in English. Keep practicing, and you'll get better and better. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.